Hey YouTubers, here's a quick little cooking video. Haven't done any in a while. I hope you enjoy. Alright, we got chicken, kicked up chicken, garlic powder, and that's chicken. I'm going to prepare it on this plate. Alright, I'm just going to cover that with aluminum foil. Just to protect it from the bugs. That's going to go on the grill in a second. I've just done a lot of similar meals and a lot of corn because it's really good. Right, I'm going to explain what I'm doing. After here, I'm going to a place where, back to a casino parking lot. You can't really cook in the parking lot. So tonight, cooking tonight's dinner and extra stuff, but I can eat while I'm there. Just be good to go. I'm cooking a lot. Okay, there's the chicken. That's going to go on. And even for me, this is a lot of food. What I was trying to say is I'm cooking for the future because it's going to be tough. Also, I did wash the tongs before I used them after raw chicken. Yum. Alright, that chicken is done. And again, I'm not eating all that at once. I told you this was going to be quick, and not even sure why I posted it, but that dressing is awesome on corn. Fly over. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to eat it. And I'm not arrogant, and I'm not surprised to say that chicken came out awesome. And the corn. Creamy garlic parmesan, I'm telling you. Makes for a great day. Makes for a great meal. Have a great and wonderful day. So for some reason I'm throwing in doing dishes. I got this camp shower, you know, the solar type, and normally I use the bottles to rinse, and that works really good, but I got this and I figured I'd try. Works great for dishes. This is a thrift store shirt, the shirt I'm wearing in the video. It's printed upside down, so it's a funny bike thing, you know, when you wreck your bike, your first concern is, my bike okay? Cheap thrift store shirt. So I still always wash my dishes in a bucket and then rinse them, and then I just carry the bucket to the dump station sometimes if it's not too far, and just avoid trying to do dishes in a tiny Class B because it's a challenge and you can make quite a mess. So this is the best way, I think. At least it's worked that way for me. And the solar shower gets way hot enough. I just hung the thing on the bike rack and it worked out. Many different options on how you do your dishes. I know people that take Lysol wipes and wipe down their dishes with those and then just rinse it afterwards. Not sure I'd do that, but hey, here's a little kind of sunset. Even though Marquette Tourist Park is pretty big, lots of people, it stays pretty quiet and calm. It's very nice. There's a few happy kids, but that's a good thing. Wander on Marquette. Last night here. This year, unless I come back for fall. Gonna be out of character, but no music in this video. Well, there wasn't much to this video, but I felt like I owed you some cooking. Have a great and wonderful day.